Oh, thank you.
Cheers. You're a bit weird. I mean, who comes and sits down next to a stranger like that?
Me? I just sat down.
That's a very poor excuse. How
It's
did
a
you even
fact.
get in here anyway?
Just walked in.
I find that very hard to believe, to be honest.
Honest? It's true. Just walked in.
No. You don't get to shake my hand. Thank you.
It's not very nice.
I mean, you're a stranger. You could just be anyone. I mean, I've no idea who you are. You come and sit down. You don't introduce yourself. You just look really weird.
I'm a stranger.
A bit smelly as well, actually. Do you need the toilet? Do you need to go to the toilet?
What?
The toilet. It's like a loo. You know?
No.
Bit pongy you are. Bit pongy.
I can't help that. It's just my smell.
You need to look after your hygiene.
I'll bear that in mind. Thank you. Thanks for the tip.
Well, you know, you sat down here. It
I
wasn't the
know.
other way around. You invaded my space. I was perfectly happy here, and you come and sit down.
Well, it's a
Well,
seat.
you know, I don't even want to make new friends. Evidently.
I didn't ask to be friends. Just wanted a seat. Just wanted to sit down. That's all. It had nothing to do with friends.
Fine by me. Just sit in silence. Fine.
Just wanted to sit down. You don't need to be like that.
Can you stop looking at me, please?
Well, I'm trying to have a
It's really
conversation.
disgusting.
It's very rude. You're very rude. Just wanted to sit down, that's all.
You know, I've got better things to do, and you know, you just get people like you, who think they can just sit down next to somebody, you know,
I don't see the big deal. It's just-
invading their space.
I'm nowhere near you. I am a whole...
The nerve
chair away.
of some people today, you know.
I don't see the big deal. It's literally just a seat. I'm just sitting down. You're not sitting on this seat, are
Well,
you?
it wasn't a pleasure to meet you. Thank you very much.
Well, I thought we were getting on quite well, actually.
At last, I thought you would never leave. Goodbye.
Okay, fine. Bye.
Now I can get back to what I was supposed to be doing.